你好，我是 Becky. Hello, I am Becky. Welcome to Crazy Grammar, the fun way to learn Chinese grammar. Today we are going to learn reduplicated verbs. Reduplicated verb is a distinctive grammatical phenomenon in Mandarin and is usually used to soften the tone. We usually use it to gently express our request, need, wish, etc. In general, most of the action verbs can be reduplicated. For example, 说 first tone means speak, can be reduplicated as shuōshuo. 写 third tone means write, can be reduplicated as xiěxie. 看 fourth tone means look, can be reduplicated as kànkan. So the structure of reduplicated verb is simply verb plus verb. Note that the verb is usually a single syllable. Also, the pronunciation of the first verb is in its original tone. The second verb after it should be pronounced in a neutral tone. 听 first tone means listen, can be reduplicated as 听听. Pay attention that 听 is a single syllable and the second 听 is pronounced in a neutral tone. 听听. 找 third tone means find, can be reduplicated as 找找. Note that the second 找 is pronounced in a neutral tone. Look, my boyfriend gave this to me. 给我看看. Let me have a look. In this example, 给我看看 has a softer tone than 给我看. 问 fourth tone means to ask. The reduplicated form is 问问. Becky, Mark 有女朋友吗? Becky, does Mark has a girlfriend or not? 我不知道. I don't know. 你帮我问问吧. Please help me ask about this. Another form of reduplicated verb is verb plus e plus verb. It's particularly the same as verb plus verb. When speaking, you need to pay attention to the pronunciation of e. E should be read in a neutral tone like e. 找 means to look for. We can say 找找, but we can also say 找一找, which also means to look for. 说 means to talk. We can also say 说一说. 试 means to have a try. We can also say 试一试. 这件衣服太大了. This t-shirt is too big for me. 小姐，您试一试这件吧. Miss, you could try this one. In this lesson, we have learned the structure of reduplicated verb, verb plus verb, and a similar structure, verb plus e plus verb. And we can use both structures to soften the tone of our request, need, wish, etc. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recordings and tell me what the reduplicated form of 听 is. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见. Becky, 什么时候开会? 不知道，你问问张总吧。Which of the following can be inferred from the tone of the conversation? Becky is excited about the upcoming meeting. Becky is being euphemistic. Becky is not happy about what's going on. Please choose the best answer. Christmas is coming. 我们有2个星期的假期。是啊。What would she most probably say next? 说一说你的计划。说没说你的计划？不能说你的计划。Please choose the best answer. Becky, 你看我的新手机。What would Becky most probably say? 给我看看吧。给我看不看 ？Please choose the best answer. Becky， 这双鞋太小了。What would Becky most likely say? 是别的不行。你不能试别的。试一试别的吧。Please choose the best answer. 我的手机在哪儿？不知道啊。What would she most probably say? 你帮我找一找吧。你帮我找什么呢？你给我找。Please choose the best answer.